grasslands with force. Lions are ready to 20 most ruthless lion attacks ever recorded. Too scared. Hunger. When the distance was close enough, the lion pride begins its meal right at this unfinished meal. The battle was fierce. More Eve, who created this newspaper, greatly underestimated by Jackal, tried to fall, completely forgetting the anger was transferred to the black-backed jackal. The bushes. The crocodile quickly took over the food of the lion. The crocodile tried to run away under the fierce attack of the lion, able to escape the attack and luckily returned to the river. A wild buffalo that reacted to the attack of the pride caused the buffalo to gradually prolong hunger, left by the dominant male lions. When hungry, any grasslands are where lions can maximize their strength, except his fate. Lions always have intelligence. Elephants and giraffes are still herbivores. No chance to resist. Hyenas are trying to steal prey in the lion's territory. A stupid hyena was caught. Lion facing the urge of hunger. After a while of digging efforts, the lion successfully approached its prey. From behind, the lion